BioTense Foaming Gel. BioTense Foaming Gel is an organic, sulfate-free and bacteriostatic cleanser that deeply purifies the epidermis without drying out the skin. It is recommended for all skin types and is ideal for anyone preferring a foamy cleanser. It can be used as a first step in your skincare routine to deeply cleanse the skin or as a second step after makeup removal with the BioTense cleansing milk. Advantage number 1: sulfate-free. Sulfate are harsh detergents used in many conventional foaming cleansers. They include sodium lauryl sulfate, ammonium lauryl sulfate, sodium laureth sulfate, and ammonium laureth sulfate. Unfortunately, these substances can strip the skin's protective barrier and imbalance the natural pH of the skin. It is then that the skin dehydrates and becomes more vulnerable to environmental aggressors. BioTense Foaming Gel contains a gentle foaming agent called dicyl glucoside. This agent is derived from natural glucose of beet extract and is non-aggressive, non-irritating, and non-drying to the skin. It is biodegradable and tolerated by the most sensitive skin. Advantage number 2: Bacteriostatic. The skin hosts many microorganisms, more than 1,000 species of bacteria, fungi, as well as mite and parasites, both on the surface and beneath the epidermis. This ecosystem of microorganisms is referred to as the skin flora or the skin microbiota and is vital for skin health. When the skin's pH is close to 5.5, this ecosystem shields and protects the skins against invaders. However, when the skin's pH is imbalanced, some microorganisms multiply and become pathogenic. The imbalance of the skin microbiota will cause skin issues including microinflammation, atopic dermatitis, or acne. Many conventional cleansers are bactericidal and destroy all bacteria, including beneficial bacteria. On the contrary, BioTense Foaming Gel is bacteriostatic and therefore help to limit pathogenic bacteria while promoting beneficial bacteria to strengthen the skin's natural defenses. It contains prebiotics that feed and maintain a well-balanced skin flora. Advantage number 3: Deep Pore Cleanser. BioTense Foaming Gel is a deep pore cleanser. It contains bentonite clay with detoxifying, oxygenating, and remineralizing properties. When in contact with water, bentonite clay becomes electrically charged and acts as a toxic magnet to capture all impurities and pollutant residues from the epidermis. It also helps to normalize excess sebum on the skin surface to offer a matte finish without ever drying the skin. Results: from the first application, your skin will be clean, fresh, and purified. The skin is left smooth with no shiny residue. Over time, pores are minimized. How to use it? Apply half a pump of BioTense Foaming Gel to the entire face. Spray BioTense pH toner or use warm water. Emulsify using your fingers or the BioTense exfoliating sponge. Rinse well using warm water or damp facial gauze.